For that view. I get so nervous and I cover songs that I really, really like, so I hope I did all right. I hope I did him justice if he ever hears that. But yeah, I think he's so talented. When he did that, okay, who watched, was it the Grammys? When he did that performance where it was like I think it was great, he was all like, all those people were like, what? And they were like doing the dance thing. I was like, I can't do that, but it looks so awesome when he does it. Anyway, I love him. I'm such a huge fan. Anyway, this next song we're gonna do for you, next couple songs, are two of my favorites. And actually, oh, you're good. You're good. I almost see. I have no memory. So what I forgot that I actually told them to put in this order, but I still forgot. Today it is my bass player EINAR's birthday. So happy birthday to you. forgot. And Trisha and I went over that. She came up to me right before the show and was like, okay, remember, we're doing it on stage. You wanted to do it on stage. And I was like, okay, I'll totally remember. Thank you, Kate. And I almost forgot band introductions again. What? I'm amazing. We've had so many birthdays on this tour, we were trying to think of a different way to do it for EINAR. So anyway, right here, this is Nicole, and right next to her is Kate. Y'all give it up for my background singers. And right over here, this is the lovely Corey who plays and sings anything. Give it up for Corey. And right next to him is Jill on guitar, mando, anything you want her to do and sing. Give it up for Jill. And right over here on drums, this is Miles. Give it up for Miles. And right next to him, this is Avon on guitar. Give it up for Avon, y'all. And once again for the birthday boy, give it up for EINAR on bass. And last but not least, Jason Halbert has been with me since Idol, which is like close to a decade. So give it up for Jason. I'm so sweaty, I'm sorry. I'm like a big sweat fest. Give it up for Jason, y'all! I'm so sweaty, I don't know why. I'm usually not this sweaty. It's incredible, actually.